Yes.
I think we daddy just clean there.
Go in there.
I can wait.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
No,
Okay.
I want to do it all by myself.
Oh, wala nga. Oh. Ano nga? Duro. Ano nga, guniti. Hata nga niya.
I think it's the humba. Yung paa ng...
Yeah, what do they eat it? Yucky.
Honey, this is Mama's food. This is Filipino food.
Oh, is that for you?
It's not for you. It's for me if you don't like it. Yummy.
I don't want it. I like chocolate. Okay.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to
A channel.
channel. Ayan, hi Dali.
Hello.
Okay. Happy Sunday everyone. We are already alis kami ngayon. Kung hindi nyo napanood yung last video ko, sabi ko na today ay in-invite kami ng aking bestie. So birthday kasi ni Uy, you okay? Ni mami niya noong isang araw, tapos ngayon nila isi-celebrate. Tapos invited kami. Kaya yun, kahit si Buntis ay sobrang, oh my God, tingnan niyo guys, oh. Are you okay? Hala. Kahit magkaang-kaang na ang inyong mami guys, ay aalis pa rin tayo. Kasi alam nyo, may doon, tawag dito, for sure, may rice and may pa kayang lulutuin nila doon. Pero hindi yun yung puntahan ko talaga guys, ha? Yung may napupuntahan ko is to meet up with everyone, catch up with everyone. Kasi last time na nagkaanuhan kami, parang nagkatapok ba? That was Christmas. So, sobrang tagal na rin, 6 months. Right? Come here, Nala. Is it raining now? Sobrang mahangin sa labas. Ipakita natin ang outfit ni baby girl, B. B, come here, stand up here. Wow. Should we move there so I can see? Wow. Are you wearing boots? Yeah. Do you like your boots? Are you warm enough?
Yeah.
Good girl. Big girl lang ating baby guys, no? Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Dalagang-dalaga na talaga ba? Ay, shush! Did you kiss baby Celine? Tingnan nyo. Oh, say, I love you, baby Celine.
I love sleep.
Baby Celine will be out soon, yeah? Ayan, oh. Lalabas na to siya very soon. Ilang weeks na lang. Ayan. So, dadalhin ko ang ating jacket na sobrang kapal para hindi tayo maginawan. At hindi ko alam kung gaano talaga kalayo. Mga 1 oras din siguro yung biyahe natin doon, guys. Ayan. Sasakit na naman yung ating balakang nito. But, anyways, I'm just happy that we're able to do it. Like, wala nang lockdown. And kasi yung ibang state dito sa Australia, nag-lockdown na naman sila. Yung Sydney and Brisbane, nag-lockdown. So, yung Victoria na naman yung free. So, I'm not complaining, guys. So, while we can, bisita pa more. Come on na, let's go. Here's my bag for today. Ayan. And, see you later. See you there. Come here na. See you later, tita.
See you later. See you later. See you later.
Can you keep the door open for Mama? Thank you. Tingnan mo guys, oh, naka-scarf. Careful.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Sige, ganun.
Mama, let me.
Okay. Then you push. Huh? Wet wipe?
Daddy.
Careful not this car, anak. Wet wipes? Yeah, Parcel's wipes. You used it before.
They're not in the car.
No, not in the car. Na. Sobrang dilim na, oh. Uy, not sa dalan na. Saka ramang kagdagan, oy.
This way to the car.
Nak, tarungay imong ko anak. Imong, Baby, anak. Fix your kuan ba? Tingnan nyo. Fix your scarf. There you go. This way, anak.
Mama,
Yes.
I think we daddy just clean there.
Go in there.
I can wait.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
No,
Okay.
I want to do it all by myself.
Did you hear that, guys? I wanna do it all by myself. Ate Chud, makikati.
Didi,
Ati. Ati Paris.
Didi, Didi.
Dig. Sige na, come.
Then you would drink your Didis.
Good job, sweetie. Sit down properly. And off we go.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 2 o'clock ng hapon. And nandito kami ngayon sa South Melbourne Market. Si Daddy pinalabas ko kasi hindi kami nakabili ng flower for nanay. So ayan, si Daddy na lang yung pinatakbo ko guys kasi si mami nyo ay hindi na makakatakbo. Got flowers. Beautiful, Daddy. Thank you. Siya yung nag-choose nito.
I got 2 bunches.
Huh? Was it 2? Ah, 2. Alright. Tapos, yung sinabi ko na lang kay Daddy Mike na pumili ka ng yung maganda for nanay. Ayan. Kasi, di ba, winter. So, ayan. And, what's this one? Scarf? May scarf din para it will keep nanay warm during cold days.
Did I get the right colors?
Yeah, they match. Looks good.
Seems like
Ayan. No, I think that nanay would like that one. So, ayan na guys. Ngayon ay aalis na kami. Pupunta na kami sa kanila. Maybe it's another, maybe 25 minutes from here na, Daddy? 30? Yeah. Ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog pala. Tingnan niya. Oh. Tulog na tulog si Ate Paris. Anyways, we'll see you when we get there. Finally, nakarating din ng safe. Ang daming sasakyan dito. Nandito sasakyan ng ating bestie, oh. Dami sigurong tao ba? Kasi maraming sasakyan.
hello.
Knock on the door, knock. Say happy birthday to nanay, ha?
Amen. Oh, si Jovey. Dali. Very cold. Oh, very cold. Come in. Gitugno. Hello.
Hello. This way, anak. Paris, this way, anak.
Ito kuya ro.
Nanay!
Yes. Hello.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah, give to nanay.
Paris. How are you?
Bless nanay na. Happy birthday, nanay.
Happy na mubot to.
Happy birthday, gwapa nga nanay. Oh. 18 na, 18, di mo?
Gano'n, pila if times 3?
Hello, hi. Oh God, everyone is blessing.
COVID baby.
Yeah, na. Working from home.
Well, I'm not working from home.
COVID baby.
Who's that? Gusto to be.
Tagal lagi na nga
Kasi nag-work from home.
COVID. Tugod sa lockdown.
Hi.
Hi, Carissa.
Bit-bit. Hatag mo na si Tipon. Bang. How old is she? 3.
Yeah.
Hello, what's your name?
Joshua. Oh my God, daming pagkain, oh. Buti naiwan pa ako, may naiwan pa sa amin.
Haven't you?
See? Oh, when was the last time? It's been so long. It's been like, fresh lagi
Super.
ka.
Huh?
Fresh lagi ka.
Yes. Bigo.
It's As in.
First, what do you want to eat?
You want chips na?
You want nuggets?
No? Nothing?
Guys,
Wow, daming ano guys po. Sana turon na. Okay na kung turon na. Buhay na ko sa turon.
there's atay there.
Atay what?
Atay nga.
Manok? Yung kaya na? Sected version to siyang tatuman.
Oh, pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anak, ito anak.
Your chicken nugget.
Chicken.
Your chicken.
Water? You want water?
Chips. Your fish?
You're not hungry. Lagi nga na puksin mo pa rin yun. Hungry.
Your fish, Granny?
Not
The favorite.
hungry.
Oh, the favorite.
How's your birthday, Nay?
Look, tutog na?
Ha?
Tutog na yung wala?
Try to hear. Man, okay lang. Happy birthday! Sing na!
Sing happy birthday.
Again. Once again. Ang samang yun. Pagbit yan.
Oh man, they have YouTube. They have music. Watch out. Yeah. Copyright na din.
Birthday!
Okay. Copyright.
birthday, Malang Johnson. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip! Hooray! Make a wish! Make a wish! Jovey!
Double celebration na ni? Ay, alam ko na, si Nanay Mas Jansen.
Nanay Johnson?
Picture, picture ulit! Picture!
Oh, Johnson's coming out.
Picture!
Johnson vintage.
Kaya nga guys, oh, yan.
Not gold!
Picture.
Gold. Gold.
Alam na!
Mine!
Mine, 18K.
Baka may sabi titir. Titir.
I like her.
Ikaw na. You want picture na?
That goes on my Bali girl. Alam na, Bali girl. Oh, sing. Okay, whatever. Tap.
Wala, naka-floral si Nanay.
Oh.
Sinaruduhan
So,
naka-floral.
so, hindi rin na mo. Birthday ba niya?
Para maiba.
Okay na kasi. Soda juga na din pala. I can carry you. Oh, ano na. Basta na din Paris. Say cheese! Thank you. Got the cake and open the present. Get the cake. Oh, give.
Parting out. Oh. Yee, go pa. Your birthday today? Ah. Is it Paris' birthday? Happy birthday, Paris. No? Pwede ito ipalo?
Pero nakakita ko yung Ivan. Makita ko ng picture sa picture na. Cheers! Boyfriend?
Walang gabit tayo mo.
Yatay boyfriend.
Bisal na!
Daga nagputos oh.
Ota, para thrilling. Hoy, hatag mo di niya. Saan man? Magkarohay taan ng hatag di. Sige. Regalo mo.
Bumagay ka kita. Wow, kasiksi.
Grabe ko sa chain.
Ganyan chain. Ang chain, ani. Ribo na nagalaman mag-gamit na ako. Papalito na siya chain. Palitin niya ni chain. Palitin niya na. Ibutang nila kay chain dito. Ako lang ba yan? Busy eh. Kaya kayo. Return na sa Congress.
So ano siya, kung palit ka chain niya.
Oh, wala ka lagi kabalik niya.
Baka na! It's a trap!
Business na business. Ay, yung taktik mo.
Ano mga tactics?
Nito, tinigosyoman, ha? Kaya magkapalit, ha? Iskat, ani, ang kansi ba?
Wala ka tagal na pindan kayo magpalit ka og kuan.
Tapos sa pindat, naman na sa chain. Round off na sa chain.
O kasi, nani suni, palit mo.
Mga chain ni mga chain money. Mga dira.
Wala ka niya, ang suda niya palit change.
Chain.
Ano naman to? Nawa, asa man yan?
BCA pa.
Uy, nakauda ba?
Oh, na?
Kwintas, kundi, kwintas.
Bisulog, bin.
Isulog.
Huwag to.
Isulog, sir. Mabit, isulog.
Alam mo na mo kinawat na eh? Alam mo?
Isulog niya.
Gawin na, Indian na to. Indian go. La! Saan mo, like, Olympic?
Kuani ka na.
Love that, pauso.
Green me, dani.
Onyx, oy, Onyx in town.
Nani, so.
Asa ba, pinag-kita lagi. Ah, talaga.
Napay na ko dakuan niyo. Yo napay
Oy,
na ko
palit
dakuan.
ang change.
Oh, wala nga. Oh. Ano na? Giro. Ano na, guniti. Hati na niya.
Kaya wala tayong mawala.
Pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close.
Ano hindi mo sa usa?
Pilipino, Pilipino, kumuta.
Ano mo, Jun? Hindi mo sa ano? Pilipino. Ano mo, Jun? Gusto ko ano? Over. Ano kayo? Oh, alam na. Ano tulo?
Hello guys, it's now 6 o'clock. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Ayan. Putos time. Putos pag may time. Oh. Bayon sa nadala baligis?
Hey! Palutin mo ako.
Uy, tanaw ko. Ikaw, Ti, nakadala na ka, Ti? Oo, yan nga.
Dahil kuno ko ani na. Apa mo ani? Hindi sa patilawon ani.
Gamay kung ilain.
Ang daming pagkain. Ay.
Patilawon. Lamig man. Ha? Gusto ko.
Tiyo? Bigyan naman.
Oh, yeah.
Tinis na yan.
Dahil yung jubil sa bahay niya po, ano? Ay, naman itong iyan.
Tagali ko, ani.
Daddy, don't eat the whole. Mommy, Daddy eat the whole thing.
Daddy eat the whole thing?
Yeah,
Oh, tell Daddy not to eat the whole thing.
Daddy don't eat the whole thing.
I want to eat the whole thing.
Daddy wanna eat the whole.
Is Daddy naughty? Mamalapit na rin kasi ang gano'n siya. Hello guys! It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi. Kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay kasi kanina from Waverly VIC, from the sa birthday celebration ni Nanay. Straight kami sa gym ni Daddy Mike. So, dinala namin si Daddy Mike sa gym for 30 minutes. Naghintay ako doon kasi tulog naman si Paris sa sasakyan. So, naghintay na lang ako sa sasakyan. And then, we went, nag-grocery shopping si Daddy Mike konti kasi may kailangan kami sa Ito, nakatulog ba siya sa sasakyan? So, I'm not sure kailan yan siya matutulog ulit. Anyways, it was really fun. Nakita niyo naman kanina guys yung vlog natin doon. Sobrang noisy, basta ingana jud guys, basta mga salo-salo dito sa Australia. Yes, kasi minsan lang kasi guys. Kaya yun, parang unite yung mga family ba. So, I know, hindi nila correlated by blood, but sa puso nila, guys, parang relatives na rin ako. So, and of course, pag may kainan, guys, hindi talaga mawawala yung mga bring house. So, pinadalhan ako ni nanay. Ito, I know this one is yung cake. Ayan. Hindi ako kumain ito doon, guys, kasi alam niyo yun, nauumay ka kasi sobrang dami ng pagkain. So, hindi ko na to siya nakain. Pinadala na lang sa akin. Makakain pa natin yan bukas. And then, another foil here. Ang laman nito ay hindi embutido. What's this one up? What's this one? Hey, you know, I love you, no.
Okay,
I love you.
I love you. Okay, wait, what's inside?
What's inside? Go have a look. Meron tayong
Mommy.
turon.
You're gonna eat
And
banana.
meron banana, yes. Meron tayong suman. Pilit. What is it, na?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry. I'm gonna eat that.
Do I eat it?
Chicken
And then here, I'm not too sure what Nanay put in here, but I think this is the chicken that you were eating earlier. Is it? Oh no, it's the, I think it's the humba. Yung paa ng
Yeah, what do they eat it? Yucky.
Honey, this is Mama's food. This is Filipino food.
Oh, is that for you?
It's not for you. It's for me if you don't like it. Yummy.
I don't want it. I like chocolate. Okay.
Of course you do like chocolate. And then, nagdala tayo ng pansit. Kakainin ko siguro ito ngayon, guys.
But that's my
Nagutom
favorite
ko.
too.
Yeah. Noodles. That's your favorite.
Mama, what's the red?
Which one? This one?
That red one.
The red one? It's capsicum.
Why is that capsicum?
And then this one, oh, meron pa pala tayo nito. Masarap to bukas ba? Palitan ng kape.
Mama?
Meron tayong kape. Biko.
Mama, what's that?
Say, tell them Biko.
Pickle.
That's right. Biko and cake. See, that's cake.
Yeah, I like
Oh,
it.
ayan. So, yun yung na bit-bit namin galing sa Packhouse. Bit-bit galing Packhouse. Pero yun, guys, na-miss ko rin yung ganoon ba? Kasi nga, di ba, always kaming pag every now and then, lockdown. So, this time, it's good na meron kaming ganoon. Ay, say hi to baby Celine. Daddy, have a look at my tummy, Daddy. It's so big now. Oh, shush. You okay now?
Okay. So big, Mama.
Yeah, it's so big. Baby Celine so big now.
Why is it so big? What's it so big?
Because she's gonna come out soon. Tapos, siguro kainin ko muna yung yung ating pansit. Tapos, we'll put the yung napamili na Daddy Mike sa grocery kanina. We'll put them away. Alam ko, alam nyo guys, late na guys. Although, one thing, si Daddy Mike ang mag-work bukas kasi nga diba Monday na. Pero bukas ay first day na walang trabaho na ni Mommy. Mommy's not working tomorrow na.
No. Then.
Good? I can play?
A few moments later.
Guys, alam nyo, it's now 11 o'clock ng gabi. Say,
No, it's 10
say-
o'clock.
No, it's 11 already.
Oh, it's 11.
Yes, it is. Where's Daddy now?
He's in bed, sleeping.
That's right.
I'm coming.
Naka-on ang ating heater, guys, kasi sobrang ginaw talaga. So, pasensya na sa background na noise.
Mama?
So, ang ating Daddy Mike ay natutulog na kasi nga work pa siya bukas. And ito kasi siya nakanap siya sa sasakyan kanina. So, gising na gising pa. And tingnan niyo,
Let's go.
kumuha siya ng 3 libro kasi gusto niya akong magbasa ng 3 libro.
Now.
Naka-medyas ng tatay niyo. What's this na? Which one do you wanna read first?
This one.
Okay, what's this one about?
What's the rabbit here?
Rabbit.
The
Let's
rabbit.
pick the rabbit, and then what's next? This one? What's this all about?
Caterpillar.
Color Peter na bali naman ka na ko eh. Caterpillar. Kani? And then this one?
Beast and a bell.
That's the beast and it's Belle. Correct. Well done,
I don't
sweetie.
know his name. This one.
Ayan. So yung plano ko talaga guys is... Yes,
I forgot his name.
Yeah, I still think that's a candle.
I don't think
And it's a clock.
I don't think his name.
A kettle. It's a kettle.
No,
Ayan.
this
So yung plano ko talaga guys is... Maglilinis-linis ako ng bahay
Read,
tonight.
Mama. Read it, Mama.
Yeah, hang on. Mama will just say bye-bye to tita, ha? Dito, quickly. Kasi nga, diba, sa weekend, well, last week we've been really, really busy kasi nga last week sa work. And then,
I have fun.
weekend.
I have fun with Tito Ron.
You had fun with Tito Ron?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, honey. That's good to know. I'm very happy to hear that.
Why are you laughing?
And then, sa weekend, guys, alam niyo naman, busy kami kasi palaging may ginagawa kapag weekend, diba? So, hindi talaga na ano yung paglilinis at pag-clean dito sa bahay ba? So, yung plano ko sana is yun yung gagawin ko pag natulog na to siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung kailan to siya tutulog. So, babasahan ko na lang ng libro tapos hayaan ko siya manood or whatever, maglaro-laro tapos ako
This one
maglinis.
is one.
Pero ngayon ay iyan lang natin ang ating vlog na ngayon guys ha kasi para mabasahan ko na to siya ng kanyang libro. Thank you very much for being with us today. Really appreciate it guys, your time watching our videos. We'll do a quick shout out and the first one goes to Ifigenia Zarate, Jacqueline Gallo, Emelita Gonzalez, Chari Tamayo, Belindy Jesus, Maricar Castaneda, Lee Fam Vlogs, Fe Guarnes, Karen Joyce Ubas, Emmy Garcia, Joanne Ambe, Via Havison, Marcy Narito, Hilaska, Tess Arellano, Novero Yoli, Irene Ariperio, Digna Villavicencio. Oh, Mama will read it now, okay?
Yeah.
Melin Lorente, Elena Resulis, Jennifer's Parian Peralta, Winnie Duzon, Narhaya Dapat, G. Alcera, Shailene Rafales, Lia Cultura, Lynn Simple Love,
That's Elsa.
that's awesome, Ana Marie Dador, Cherry May Ongayo, and say, Jean
Jean
Bagsik.
Basket.
That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good. If you can't.
Bye.
If you can't.
Bye.
Don't forget to be good. And if you can't.
I'm going to say careful, bye.
That's right, yeah.
Careful, bye.